If you're stuck between wanting something compact whilst maintaining the unmatched typing experience of a mechanical keyboard, then a 60% mechanical keyboard might just be right for you. 60% mechanical keyboards are fantastic when it comes to portability, comfort, versatility, and longevity. They are extremely portable and compact while offering the same amount of key travel. They also take up a lot less desk space, making your setup look like clean and neat. So, to help you find the right keyboard for you, we have come up with a list of the 5 best 60% mechanical keyboards on the market today. Starting at number 5, we have Cooler Master SK621. The SK621 takes the classic slim, minimal design of the most popular chiclet keyboard and injects it with a signature Cooler Master mix of flair and functionality. This includes a brushed aluminum top plate for durability and contemporary good looks, while a contoured floating key design gives you a 1 to 2 punch of functionality and signature beauty. With flat contoured keycaps and new Cherry MX low-profile switches in a stripped-down 60% format, it delivers great performance without sacrificing the clean aesthetics of your sleek workstation. The SK621 comes equipped with a 32-bit ARM Cortex processor for consistent precision and performance. Thanks to the on-the-fly system, as you can get an instant advantage over your opponent and beat them to the punch every time. Easily adjust per key backlighting, switch lighting modes, and even record macros with just a few key presses. Get the functionality of the software without needing to have software bloating your system, saving you time and precious PC resources. You will be able to unleash 16.7 million colors to every key, get further customization of lighting modes, and fine-tune macros. It comes with hybrid wireless functionality, giving you the choice of clean, wireless freedom or lag-free wired functionality. Up to 3 devices supported with Bluetooth 4.0 or use it wired over a removable Type-C USB and charge the battery simultaneously. With its luxury design, multi-colored backlighting effects, and customizable controls, the Cooler Master SK621 aims to give creative professionals the functionality they need without sacrificing the artistry they crave for. Next up at number 4, we have the Massdrop Ultra mechanical keyboard. The Massdrop Ultra mechanical keyboard is just like the Control, but with 67 keys instead of 87. Absent of function keys, it wastes no space, yet still has a full set of arrows and numerals. It's heavy enough to stay put no matter how hard you type. The Ultra features a solid aluminum frame with a low profile for a streamlined look that complements any setup. Each keyboard comes with your choice of switches that have 50 million keystrokes so that you can get just the feel you like, whether you prefer something heavy and tactile or lightweight and linear. And thanks to the hot swap switch sockets, as it allows you to swap switches whenever you want with no soldering required. The Ultra features light pipes built into the switches that are optimized to deliver the light through the keycaps. You will also have your choice from millions of different colors for every single key. The LEDs operate at a frequency of 100 Hz, so there will not be any visible flicker. It's only fully programmable by QMK, meaning you can assign macros or custom keybinds to every key. With dual USB Type-C connectors, the Ultra is outfitted with the latest connections. Fitted with removable magnetic feet, the Ultra seamlessly adjusts to fit your needs so that you can type at an ergonomic angle or lay your keyboard flat. Coming in at number 3, we have the Vertex Gear Poker. The new poker, constructed with a silver anodized CNC aluminum case, the Vertex Gear Poker keyboard is heavy enough to stay put, yet light enough to carry on the go. It comes with strong and durable Cherry MX mechanical switches that allow at least 50 million keystrokes, making your keyboard a reliable partner for years of intense gaming and typing. Made from PBT plastic, every keycap features extreme durability, unbeatable finger feels, and high resistance to solvent. The poker has a plate sandwich between the PCB and switches for extra rigidity, just like the Poker 2. It features individually programmable keys with 3 layers customization options, all easily set through what you want. You can enable up to 32 keystrokes per key. All of your settings are saved in the onboard memory, so you do not need additional drivers installed on your computer. Built up with 3 kinds of layout, the Poker also now comes with multiple layers pre-programmed, including QWERTY, Dvorak, and Colmac. The 4 DIP switches on the back of the keyboard allow you to quickly switch between different keyboard settings, such as enabling or disabling a layout, or even turn your caps lock key into an FN key or reposition FN and PN keys wherever you want on the board. If you are in the market for a new keyboard and need something small, clean, and programmable, then this is a board you should be considering. Next up at number 2, we have the Anker Pro 2. Anker Pro 2 provides excellent physical support for excellent typing or gaming experience. It's elegantly crafted like the first generation of Anker Pro, with its features like smooth and round plastic chassis PBT keycaps. It features Gatron and box RGB switch for a fast and durable typing experience, and its PBT keycaps retain their texture through intense training and competition. Every key on it can be fully programmed, and it has fully customizable RGB lighting behind each key. The powerful onboard dual ARM Cortex M chip with large memory capacity can save user-defined tap, magic font, lighting effect, alignment, and macro settings without affecting its functions. While retaining the original caps lock key function, the magic key can copy the FN key function that gives you quick access to your media player, custom function, etc. The tap key functionality enables keys to behave differently when tapped or held. By default, the right shift, FN1, FN2, and right control behave as arrow keys when tapped. It gives you easy access to a unique experience. It comes with up to 16 key macros that can be programmed through the computer software. Each group of macros can set 300 plus characters of macro code, which also support combination keys. The Anker Pro 2 freely use Type-C connection to plug and play under wired mode and can be used wireless with Bluetooth 4.0. With a battery capacity of 1900 mAh, it lasts for up to 8 hours on wireless usage. There is also a built-in on-off switch to conserve battery power during transport or when not in use. With decent build quality, clean design, pretty standard layout, good selection of switches, and capable software, the Anker Pro 2 is the best budget 60% mechanical keyboard out there. Finally, at number 1, we have the X Dot Q12. The Dot Q12's build quality is excellent. The frame is made out of solid plastic, which feels durable. The board does have a bit of flex, but this won't matter too much for normal usage. The new bezel design shares a similar sleek frame as its predecessor, but the one too incorporates dual colors on the bezel to match all varieties of keycap colorways. It comes with PBT double-shot seamless keycaps with German Cherry MX key switches that deliver durable, exceptional reliable performance. The Dot Q12 Mini has amazing backlighting. It supports full RGB lighting, and its max brightness is good enough to see colors when using the keyboard in a well-lit environment. The Dot Q12 Mini has a lot of features. As everything is built in the keyboard itself, it does not have an interface software. The keyboard has 2 layers of hotkeys, one with the function key, one with the FN key, and one with the FN Plus Ultra. There is also DIP switches on the bottom of the board, so you can change the location of the Windows key, FN key, caps lock, etc. It uses USB heat with the highest frequency of 1000 Hz polling rate, meaning the keyboard is sending its input signals to your PC 1000 times per second. The Dot Q12 Mini is the best 60% keyboard on the market, which comes with a plethora of customization, high quality, nice touches in one good-looking package. So that was all about the 5 best 60% mechanical keyboards on the market. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts, and do subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.